Road Dog Crypto. Welcome back to Road Dog Crypto. My name is Lane, and today we are checking out Singularity.net AGIX, which has been a superb performer for me, and I have complete faith that it will continue being one of my top performers. AGIX is currently trading at about 44.5 cents, maximum supply of 2 billion, circulating supply of 1.2 billion, has a market cap of only $0.5 billion. Now, this has been one of my favorites because I've played this before and played this in the last bear and bull market. I know how this little puppy works. That's why I accumulated this thing between 4 and 5 cents back in October all the way through December. And I took my profits and I have a nice little boom bag. And currently from those profits, I am trying to create another boom bag. As you see, prices are kind of high, but when we look at the charts in just a moment, I'm going to break down the parabolic structure, which could fuel this project higher. And since AI tokens are a hot sector right now, this puppy is showing signs that it wants to just run off. Now, all-time high was reached 2018 when this coin reached 95 cents. Quickly getting into the chart, I want to point out that we do have a green dot on Market Cipher for the daily. And with money flow coming in, VWAP coming up on the daily, I am expecting this to create another wave that will come up probably to this area about 96% before finding rejection. Now, I want you to take a moment and just to look at the structure that we have. We came up and we had a falling wedge right here, which we broke out of. Now, this is also creating a bigger falling wedge pattern, and this has about a 68% chance to break to the upside. Taking a measure move from the breakout of the original falling wedge would lead us up to this area right here of about 87.6 cents. If I apply this same measure move to a potential breakout area, it would take us up to this area about 96 cents. So those are my official targets for the next move, because with this dotted line here, we have a parabolic structure, which occurs in steps. This being step 1, this being step 2. Consolidating, as long as we stay within this parabolic structure and do not break outside of this dotted orange line, we have an excellent chance to come up to these other areas. 81, 86, 96 cents, possibly even as high as $1. I even have a higher target, which is the 1.618 Fibonacci, $1.10. I've got my eye on this guy right here. Now, coming down to the 4 hour, just to break this down a little bit more, we can see that we're in a little bit of a downtrend. And currently we have a rising wedge, which is now broken to the downside. So for targets to purchase this, it's possible that it may find support where it has here at 42.3 cents. Also a possibility that it may break down to this lower area of about 40.8 cents or just a little under 41 cents. So it's a good idea to watch it on some even smaller time frames to see where it might actually get a bounce. Coming down to the 1 hour, we see that we have the 200 EMA here at 42.3 cents. So that would be a very nice target there. But I am looking for price to come down, catch one of these levels, break back into this pattern, eventually break out, and then we will see more upside. So again, let me just go over the concept on the 4 hour time frame. We can come down, right? But I am looking for it to break back up to retest this trend line at some point. Now that may be at 49 cents. That's a good target for some short-term traders, because that is also a Fibonacci level, which we did get rejected from, and we will come back up and retest. Now chances are that when we do come back up and retest that we will break through that. Price would be rising through a red Ichimoku cloud. It's a good sign to have because it's a magnet that pushes the price to the upside. Next target would be at 54 cents, and then a 618 Fibonacci at 62.5 cents is where we're likely for short-term traders to find a lot of resistance, and possibly some people trying to short it at that area. We do also have our daily resistance level at 65.7 cents. All of those are viable targets to shoot for over the next week or two with this coin. However, I just want to remind you that it does have some very substantial upward targets as long as we stay within this parabolic movement. Once we break through this parabolic movement, the move is over. We'll trade sideways, go sideways for a while. But currently, we are still in parabolic uptrend, which comes in stages, and this could be a very, very highly profitable trade. And we could even see targets as high as $1.46 out of AGIX. So trade wisely, and if you're brave enough to fill your bags at some of these lower areas and take advantage of AGIX, I think you'll be very pleased. That's my game plan. I'll be riding it right with you. If you found this information helpful, click that like button, subscribe to the channel, join our Telegram group where all the cool kids hang out and help each other with trading and learning how to chart. My name is Lane, your Crypto Road Dog, reminding you, you got this, baby.
If you stumble across the channel, it's probably because somebody hit that like button before. And for those of you who hit that like button, comment, subscribe, I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much.